We are on 441 right past 3 Mile Island. I'm not sure of the exact address.
Dobermans, they get neck problems from time to time. We see golden retrievers, high propensity to develop cancer. Boxers, high propensity to develop cancer. Standard poodle as an adrenal disorder.
What's like the worst type of dog to own when they get old? As a veterinarian, health condition wise.
See, if you have dachshunds, don't let your dog jump off furniture and stuff. King Cavalier Charles Spaniel.
Dude. Okay, this guy's not a great driver either. That's a girl. Oh my, dude! Whoa! What are you doing? Alright, put that away. There's no way there's damage. No. I'm not riding your ass.
Riding my ass. My turn signal was on. You cut in front of me.
I did not cut in front of you, miss.
You did.
I have a dash cam.
You did.
I have a dash cam.
That is wonderful. That is wonderful. You just hit my car, and now we're...
Is there damage? Dude, just pull up to right there. There's not damage, bro.
Oh my good lord, it's gonna drink some. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They don't need Jack Daniels, got a history. There's a party downtown near Fifth Street. Everybody at the bar get tipsy. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They don't need Jack Daniels, got a history. At the bottom of a bottle, no man.
The video is locked. The video is locked.
everything that he had once considered private.
Yeah, everything that he once considered private is now actually owned by...
As the Horsemen like to say, magic is about controlling perception.
Do you think he's alive? Is Harry's dad?
Baby, get on the road! No! Baby, get on the road! No! Baby! Baby! Oh my God, thank you, baby! Oh, for fuck's sake! Woo!
This is Christy with whom you have the pleasure of speaking with today.
Oh my God. Whoop. Hi, sorry, I just saw an
It was just everything wrong with the world. Leave it to you to bitch and moan about a compliment. Ben, our friend Ben has something to say about it. Ben, go ahead. Thank you. Ready, baby? Ben?
No, if you go down that way, you can go to your house on Vizanu. Okay.